Hey friends, let's do my first wash and go. Alright, so you guys know how my wash days always start. We always start by detangling first. I will always use my favorite Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner to detangle. So first I'm going to section my hair off. I'm going to add my conditioner, finger detangle. Then I use my brush and then we'll go ahead and let that sit as kind of like a pre-poo. And then we'll wash that out as usual. So I'm gonna shut up for most of this video so you guys can watch. Alright, so after finger detangling, I go in with my on brush, then back with my fingers, and then with my detangling comb. I do also put my oil blend on top of that conditioner to sit in my hair while I detangle the rest. That's something I typically do, and then at the end, you guys will also see me add some of that oil to my scalp as well. And then I'll go on off camera to detangle the other side of my head. Per usual. Y'all know that, right? If you're not new, you definitely know. Forward, y'all will see me adding the oil to my scalp. That's my oil blend. I prefer this bottle with the nozzle outside. I cannot get down with people who use a dropper bottle and then put the glass dropper on their scalp and back in the bottle. Please don't do that. As a cosmetic formulator, that gives me the biggest ick. Please, it's more sanitary to use this bottle than to put bacteria back into your oil blend. That's how much hair I lost. Then I'll be going to shampoo. I'm using the African Pride Olive Miracle 2-in-1 shampoo. I'm just finishing on stuff that I already have. That's how much product is left in the bottle. Then I'll follow up with my conditioner. And y'all, I was not about to film me showering and washing my hair again. Y'all know how to wash y'all hair, right? Because baby, every time I film that, I'm telling y'all the mess that it creates and the cleanup afterwards, it's just, not my vibe. So, anyway, I'm going in with my new favorite deep conditioner. This is gonna be the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. I fell in love with that when I was transitioning, and it's my new favorite now. Shout out to Hairlicious because she recommended this, and I didn't think it was gonna work with my hair, but baby, my relaxed hair loved it, and my natural hair loves it even more. Alright, y'all, I am done applying my deep conditioner here. I am going to deep condition for 30 minutes. Then we'll be right back to go ahead and style. So now that we're back, I did grab some stylers, which is the curl enhancing smoothie and that style defining gel, and also this mousse from Camille Rose. I did see Kendra from the Glam Twins use the defining cream and the gel together. So since Kelsey and Kendra seem to have similar curl patterns to me, I decided to go ahead and try the curl enhancing smoothie as well as the gel just to see how it would work in my hair. And my biggest prayer was for no white cast. So I'm sectioning my hair, and honestly I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so let's just get this section started with that. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna finger rake all the product here through my hair, starting with the defining cream, and then I'll follow up with the gel. I did go in with this section in particular with the on brush afterwards, and I wish I did that throughout the rest of my hair because this section did stay defined for the entire week. but the front part of my head, just around the edges, the first inch around the edges of my hair in the front, that's where my 4C texture is at. And that part did lose definition quickly. I think I need to finger coil that and use the brush there also for extra definition. And the top middle section of my hair where my type 3 looser curls are, there I do need to use the brush and also finger coil there for extra definition as well. But the back of my hair where there's a blend of different type 4 curls, that did stay defined. You see, y'all see that? I love this definition right here, and it did stay beautiful for the entire week. The front part of my hair did start to lose definition by day 3. I think from there, from wearing it out, I went to a half up, half down because the back was still very defined, but the front was starting to lose definition. Also remember sharing with you guys what my curl patterns looked like while I was transitioning, and I remember somebody saying like maybe the relaxer kind of damaged my curls a little bit and it'll come back once I fully transition. Yeah, no. My curls have been like this my entire life. I remember when I was in high school, that was my biggest thing. Like, why would my 4C texture not blend with the type 3 curls at the top? And back then, I didn't know anything about curl type, but I just know that part of my hair wasn't blending with the other part. And I was just like, bro, I need to slick this back with gel. I don't know if y'all remember that black bottle gel. I think it was called Pro something. I don't remember. But it used to leave like a reddish tint on your hair. Yeah, that was a gel I used to use to slick back my 4C curls to try to blend it with that type 3 hair. And the 4C curls was like, girl, we ain't going nowhere. What are you trying to do? But this is me after work and I was ready to go to bed, so I had to just put my hair up in some satin scrunchies to kind of stretch the curls a little bit because baby, the shrinkage was just disrespectful. And I know I sleep terribly, and I lost one of my bonnets and the other one was, I put it to wash. I think it was in the washer at the moment. So I just had my scarf and a prayer at this point. But I did really good. I was surprised when I woke up the next morning and it was still on my head. So I just wrapped it up with this scarf. And I think the way I tied it kind of saved me a little bit. And then I just went to bed. And the next morning, y'all, I had a dental appointment. I promise I thought there go one of my kids trying to come in the bathroom, bro. When I say no personal space, moms, chime in. How much personal space do y'all get? Because I get zero with these twins, okay? So here we are the next morning. I have to go to the dentist. The worst time I choose to film a wash day routine is when I have something else to do the morning after. So I was on crunch time, okay? And I was doing good on time. Okay, I'ma tell y'all, I was doing good on time. So shook the curls out. Girl, my mama should hear me right now. My mom was a teacher, by the way. If she heard my grammar right now, she'd be like, "Girl, please don't embarrass me." But yeah, let's go ahead and shake this stuff out and try to style it. I ain't liking it right now. I don't know if y'all could tell by my face, but me not like it. But we're gonna make it do what it do. So I did decide to go ahead and get partially dressed and then come back and figure out a styling for this hair. Right after I try to scrunch out some of this hair with some oil in my hand. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I do. Like, please, somebody, please send help, cause what the hell am I doing? But I'm gonna go get dressed and come right back. Alright, so we'll come back now and we're ready now. So here I am with this comb. I don't know what the hell I'm picking out, but I'm picking out something. I said I don't know what I'm doing, so yeah, bear with me. At this point, I still don't like the hairstyle. I am not used to this length on my hair. Honestly, it's just short hair just don't suit me in my opinion. So I'm gonna try to save it somewhat with this little twisting that I'm doing in the front, with these bobby pins again. Don't have a blessed clue what I'm doing, but it's gonna have to do what it do because I got a dentist appointment to go to that I can't afford to miss, okay? Because they fit me in because somebody else canceled. I can't afford to get this canceled because I ain't trying to go some other day. No. But anyway, I give myself a 7 out of 10 with this wash and go. Like I said, there are things that I could have done better. And also leave in the comments if there's anything else other than the things that I mentioned that I could have done better. But yes, at this point, y'all are gonna see me mess up this side with the bobby pin, right? And watch the pin not get to go as easily as the first side. You know why? Because at this point I can hear my phone vibrating in the tape on the table in the living room. And I know within my heart it is the dental office calling me to find out where on earth I am for my 10 o'clock appointment. Don't ask me how I start getting dressed at 9 a.m. The dentist office is literally 2 minutes from my house. So I said if I leave here at 9:50, I will be there with plenty of time. But here I am filming video. But anyway, we went and put on a face, and then here I am at the dentist office before I get my filling, and afterwards you see how my face swell up. Y'all go see my face swollen, like seriously. But yeah, that's all guys. See y'all next time.